Hey guys, it's Cora. We're going on a great hike for kids. Want to come along?
When you're driving to the mountains and you hear this...
I forgot my drink. Did you get the trail map? I need to go to the bathroom.
Be sure to stop at a visitor center like we are today at Sugarlands Visitor Center. You'll find bathrooms, plenty of drinks, and...
Let's go hiking. Mom, why am I in slow motion?
Let me see if I can fix that. There we go.
Mom, I'm in slow motion again.
Fixed it.
This trail has lots of fun bridges to cross.
So there's three things to do right now. We could turn around and go back. We could go on the longer hike to see the old cabins. Or we could go to the waterfall and have lunch.
Go to the waterfall and have lunch.
Picnic time.
Yeah. Do you like to splash in water? I do. As you follow the trail, there are lots of places to play in the water. You could even wear a swimsuit on this hike.
Is it cold? Nope. Don't need it.
Yeah. Some kids think hiking is boring, but I think it's an adventure.
Word of advice, bring extra shoes or don't let your kids walk through puddles.
Yeah, because I did it.
I personally know someone who just walked through this puddle. Let me hear you yodel. Back at the trailhead, you can finish at Sugarlands Visitor Center or follow the nature trail to a historic cabin. If we were hiking and we saw a bear.
Well, I wouldn't run because then the bear wouldn't after me. So I would make sure I have a responsible adult, and I would follow the responsible adult.
Ooh, okay. Well, as a responsible adult, I would not run. I would stand still and stay away from the bear. And if the bear started coming towards me, I would yell really loud and clap my hands and stand tall so that he would think I was big and scary. Remember yesterday when I said stay on the trail? And you were like, why? This is why. Oh, cute.
I wonder what lives in there.
I don't want to find out. Wow, look at this bridge.
I made it! Oh, I just I got a wet sock.
No way.
I got a wet.
So this is a one-bedroom cabin that people used to actually live in, built from wood that was cut down right here on site, made by hand using old-fashioned tools. Can you imagine living in this one-room cabin?
No, but I also think it would be really cold in winter because of all these cracks.
It would be. Can you imagine living in this cabin with your mom and your dad and like 10 or 12 brothers and sisters?
That would be really hard.
Wow. Cora's dad's family is from the Smoky Mountains, and just a few generations ago, they were living in the Smoky Mountains in cabins just like this.
That is crazy to know, isn't it?
Yeah. It's sad to see people that have written all over these historic cabins. You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to carve your name into any old cabin like we just witnessed them do. If you're hiking somewhere and it's too steep, just turn sideways. It's easier to walk down.
Never hike alone, and always hike with a responsible adult. Make sure you stay on the trail and pay attention to signs. Before you head into the mountains, make sure you tell someone exactly where you're going and how long you'll be gone. What do I say? Don't rely on phones, messages, or other things because in most parts there are no cell phone reception. Don't rely on your phones or devices because in most part of the mountains there are no reception.
Why do you like to go hiking?
Because I see lots of different things and I learn about a lot of different trees, and we even saw a centipede on our way up that way. Hey, what's this?
Oh, that says sweet gum. The Cherokee harvested the sap of this tree to use for chewing gum.
Delicious.
I don't know anyone that likes gum, do you?
I do, it's me. This is Cora reporting from Cataract Falls in the Smoky Mountains.